Hi everyone, welcome to the 8th tutorial for your third module, that is deploying TinyML for the ESE 3600 course. We're gonna work on collecting a custom data set for our keyword spotting application. And yeah, so moving on from here, you can design your own custom applications and deploy them, and it's gonna be super fun. So let's get into it. So to collect this document, we have our an open speech recording plugin that Pete Warden, the guy from Google, who literally wrote TensorFlow Micro, has designed. So we're going to use that extension and we're going to record our custom data set for our assignment as well as the projects that we're going to do later in the semester. So yeah, so you can go to this plugin using the website. So at the time of the recording, we have the TinyML website like this. I'm going to work on that. So you can go to resources on the TinyML website, and then there is this Pete Warden's Magic Wand Capture tool and Pete Warden's Open Speech Recording plugin. So you're going to open this link. One thing that is really important for while recording the custom dataset is to use Google Chrome for opening this link, because like it just doesn't work for the other browsers, and that's what we've discovered through experimentation. Things like that are also mentioned on the Google document, on the document that we've listed. So yeah, please use Chrome as you. And another thing is that you need to record 10 files at a time, because it doesn't work for more than that. I think the buffer fills up or something like that. So I'm just going to give a quick demo of how everything works here. So whenever you open this, it will ask you to enable your microphone. So click on allow, and then you have this entire thing going on here on the screen. It says input the words you would like to record as a comma separated list. What I have found out is that the easiest way is to record one word at a time. So for example, if you want to record yes, so you just click on like type yes here. The number of samples for each word should always be 10. So one quick trick that you can use is to record. So suppose if you want to record yes 40 times, right? You can do 10 times each, and then you can refresh the page after downloading those 10 files that you already did. Just so that I make myself clear again, 10 files, 4 times each by refreshing the browser. So just a quick example right here. So you do yes, whatever your keyword is, you do 10 number of recordings to be 10, and then you click on record. Then it's going to prompt you to say words yes, 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 yes. You can also make it stop in the meanwhile and then go ahead and like, play on some certain samples that you've recorded just to make sure that everything is right. Funny thing, since this still has the keyword spotting algorithm like sketch running on, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it has the blue LED on because it's unknown right now. And if I say no, no, yeah, you see that's a red LED. I don't know if it's visible enough. But yeah, let's go. So yeah, you can go ahead and play these. Yeah. And you can see that, yeah, and whichever doesn't suit to the particular data set that you're recording, you can just click ahead and go to delete. And when you're done with recording everything, just click on download, download all of that, and you're set to go. So that's it for tutorial, I think, 8, and see you next time.